Hi everyone and happy fall. I'm Megan from Finger Lakes Wine Country, and today I'm gonna share with you a wonderful sangria recipe perfect for this fall season. So today's recipe is called the easy 30-minute sparkly maple cinnamon sangria. It just sounds delicious listening to the name. Usually sangrias have to sit and refrigerate for around 12 to 24 hours, but this one is only 30 minutes because we're using a sparkling wine and we don't want to lose those bubbles. So this one is perfect if you're running low on time or want something really quick and easy to put together and have beautiful presentation. So let's get into our ingredients. First, you're going to need a container for your sangria. I recommend using a nice glass pitcher, or I like to use a punch bowl. I hope these make a comeback because I personally love them. Then we're gonna need a sparkling white wine. Today, we have Dill Winery Cayuga white rye. We're gonna need pure maple syrup. I recommend supporting one of your local farmers. This one was actually made from my dad, so I'm using that one today. Then we're going to be using Finger Lakes Distilling MapleJack Liqueur. We're going to need some cinnamon sticks. Then we're going to need our fall harvest fruits. Today we're going to be using 2 oranges, 2 pears, and 1 pomegranate worth of seeds. So our first step is we're going to need to cut the fruit and put it into our pitcher or our punch bowl. And now we're going to add our sparkling white wine. Ooh, this is gonna be yummy, I can already tell. Nice and bubbly. Now that we have our sparkling white wine in here, we're gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of the Finger Lakes Distilling MapleJack Liqueur. If you can't get your hands on this liqueur, any apple brandy or pear brandy will also work. Next, we're gonna add our maple syrup. I can't stress how important it is to use pure maple syrup. I think that the taste and flavor is a lot better. Plus, you get to support a local farmer who made their own maple syrup, which is a lot of hard work. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons. And 3. Once you have your maple syrup in there, we're just gonna give it a light stir. Hear it bubbling. Then we're going to add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. I'm going to add 3 because I like cinnamon. Once you have that all in there, I'm just going to give it one more gentle stir. And now it's time to refrigerate for 30 minutes. Now that our sangria has been chilled, it's time for my favorite part, which is drinking it. I'm going to give it a nice gentle little stir to mix the fruits around. I like to get a little fruit in my cup. And cheers. Oh my goodness, that is so delicious. It tastes like fall. It tastes like a refreshing sangria. You have to try this. It's really easy and only takes 30 minutes. Until next time. That's good.